101 money saving tips, part 4. Tip 48 is quality over quantity. If you like cooking, you might find that a great kitchen appliance is this one, but at $200 is quite expensive. However, if you were to buy a steamer, a slow cooker and a pressure cooker all separately, this would cost you about $280, plus all the space that these items will be taking up. When you know you're going to use all the functions of a multi-function tool, it's usually cheaper to buy that as opposed to a bunch of separate ones. But it also works the other way. You don't have to spend a huge amount of money on something. We have a popcorn maker that was probably about $20 and it's lasted us for years and it still works great. Tip 49 is renting versus buying. Obviously buying a house is going to be cheaper than renting, but people are renting more than just homes. People waste thousands of dollars renting furniture, electrical items, and even cars. Even though that I've been in a position where I had to rent an item because there was no other option, it blows my mind that full-grown adults will still lease cars just because they can upgrade it every few years. What a waste of money! Before I had my daughter, I picked out my car. I made sure that spare parts would be cheap and easy to get. It was big enough to accommodate my child and everything that comes with it, and it would be safe and a reliable car for years. My car is already 8 years old, and it will most likely still keep running well for another 10 plus years. If you rent a car for $300 a month and do so over a 10-year period, it will end up costing you $36,000. Compared to buying a car outright for $20,000, it's a no-brainer. Tip 50 is to make your home as self-sufficient as possible. You can collect rainwater for watering the garden, barbecue your food using a wooden fire every now and then, and get solar panels. In 2020, I got solar panels for about $7,000. Before this, my electricity bills were between $600 and $1,300, which was way too much. So at the end of this year, my solar panels have paid for themselves. And you don't have to live in a hot climate to get good solar. The amount of sunshine that's reflected off of snow is enough to give you sunburn. What can you do to improve your home self-sufficiency? Write your answer in the comment below and don't forget to subscribe too. Tip 51 is to make those small changes in your home to improve its general efficiency. Get a duvet for the toilet. Put a fan in your home so you use the air conditioning less. Make sure your windows are sealed up well to save your heating or cooling. Tip 52, get a lemon tree. Even if you're renting an apartment and you don't have a yard, you can grow lemon trees in pots. Lemons are great for cooking, lemonade, and even when you're sick. A hot lemon and honey drink is great for a sore throat. Tip 53 is to replace your light globes with LEDs. Not only are they cheaper, they're more efficient and they're better for the environment. Tip 54, a chest freezer is a fantastic investment. You can do more bulk cooking and not have to worry about where you're going to store it. It's also good for emergencies. If you're going to be stuck at home for a while with no help, a chest freezer full of meals can be a lifesaver. Tip 55 is to pay off your loans ASAP. I've mentioned before that my mortgage will be paid off in 14 years, saving us tens of thousands of dollars. It's the same with any other debt such as credit cards or personal loans. Any loan that you can pay off faster is always going to be cheaper because you save on the interest. Tip 56 is to think about your future. What is the bigger picture? Where do you see yourself in 5 years' time? What are your dreams and how much is it going to cost to get you there? Figuring that out will give you a huge head start on your progress. And if you change your mind, hey, it's free money. Tip 57 is budget fun money. Sounds a little counterproductive, but having fun money will help you save, because you won't feel like you're putting your life on hold or missing out while you're saving. Plus, life is meant to be enjoyable, so go and spend this fun money guilt-free. If you would like to see my previous 101 money saving tips, click here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.